You have to sit and sleep and eat and do everything on the ground. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Hasti while sitting on a taco. Today we are going to visit a guest house. We call it Boomgardi. Just to tell you, the owner of this Boomgardi or guest house is my English professor, Mr. Rezai. Let's go and check it out. I really like the atmosphere, you know, it's, how can I describe it? Somebody give me words. So, the building or the house dates back to Qajar era, around 100 years ago, or maybe more, less, something like that, and it's renovated. And here we have a big hose, everyone. The most interesting thing about guest house or Boomgardi in Iran is that they look exactly like old and traditional house in the past. See, a very old television, the doors, and we have these things, we call them pushti. It's like when you want to sit and you sit like this, it feels more comfortable. Another thing, see, we don't have bed in here. Actually, a lot of Iranians sleep on the ground. We put a blanket on the ground and sleep on that. And here we have a lot of blankets. And a sign of Zoroastrianism. And this is tokche, or shelf, but we are going to call this tokche. So there is no bed and no sofa. You have to sit and sleep and eat and do everything on the ground. Actually, I like this. It feels kind of cool. This is the best part about guest houses. Seriously, the most interesting thing for me right now is this television. It's been a lot of years that I haven't seen something like this. It's so cool. Another thing, we are right now in Mehriz. I have made a lot of videos about Mehriz and its attraction because it has a lot of attractions, a lot of beautiful castles, and yazd is in Mehriz too, so be sure to check them out too. Guys, look what we have in here! Water!
I'm so bored of going to all the sweaty clubs. I'm just gonna order takeout and chill on my couch, yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, guys. If you did, be sure to give the thumbs up, click that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and love y'all guys. See you later. Bye.